Hey there, crafty friend. Suzanne here in the studio today with the August 2024 Counterfeit Kit Challenge. If you checked out the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog, you will see that they chose It's a Beautiful Day from Sweet Shops Designs, which is a hybrid digital kit. And it really plays up on the bee theme. Well, I had this Photoplay Tula and Norbert Sweet as Honey collection. I don't think I have the full collection, but I have quite a bit of it. So I was going to start with that, and then I was going to beef it up with a bunch of other stuff. So here you can see from the sticker sheet, we got yellow and black and gold and a little bit of green. So let me show you the papers I have and the papers I added to it. Here's the first one. This is Sunshine. And then the other side are cut-up parts, which I don't think I'm going to be using. I'm going to stay away from the gnomey part of this, I think. Here we have some bird houses. And then that's a wood grain on the other side. And then we have a sheet of gnomes. And on the reverse of that, we have this pattern. And then we have a sheet of bees. And on the other side of that, we have this pattern. And then we have this beautiful plaid. And on the other side of it, we have these dots. Okay. Then I went to my 100 pattern paper stack and added some things in. I have a couple of pieces of this brown wood grain, sort of a whimsical wood grain, which will look nice with this paper here, as will this darker green with the dot. I think that'll also go good with that paper. And then I've got some more of the sort of red, orange, dark coral, whatever you want to call that color. That's from my mind's eye. And some yellow. As well as this gray from Pink Fresh. And last but not least, this dot from Doodlebug. So I've added in some more of those, the orange colors that you don't necessarily see on the sticker sheet, but are in the collection. So there is that. I have the full sticker sheet, and I have most of the ephemera pack as well. So that's got some cute things in it. Then I'm also adding in this whole set of thickers called Catherine. These are all gold. These are very good for titles. Then I went to my chipboard, and I have a chipboard bin, and in it I went and was looking for just those colors, some green and blue and coral and white and yellow and a little bit of black. So I picked out some of those items. I also had this set of die cuts from Park Lane Papery, which is the Joann's brand. It had bees in it and some flowers as well. I thought that would be fun to add in. Then I went to my color boxes and I picked out some tags. Oh, I've got quite a few of those. Plus some pockets and journaling cards, and then just general little die cuts and journal boxes. Lots of those in all the different colors. Frame. Here are the letters that say dream. Let's relax. So we've got all of that goodies. Then at this point, I just need a little more dimension. So I went to my color boxes. Oh, before I did that, I also found this. This is a Project Life, some more chipboard. I really realized I wasn't using my chipboard lately, so this kit is a little heavy on the chipboard. And then for dimensional items, I went and got some brads, some black gems, a couple of little safety pins, and some sparkly stuff, including some acetate. So I've got that, as well as I also went for other textures. I got wood buttons and wood veneer. I've got some flowers here. I've got various buttons. And I've got some little banners and stars here that are also wood. So it is quite the kit, don't you think? I'm really looking forward to playing with this. I have all weekend to be able to play around with it. So I hope you'll stick around to the end of the video and see what it is I was able to create. Okay, back in a bit. Okay, let's see what I managed to get done with my kit. Here is the first double page layout. I used that favorite little birdhouse paper. And some of the chipboard here, you see I've got the 3 up here, and then I've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are smaller photos here. These are 3.5 by 5. I've been working more with smaller photos lately. Instead of 4 by 6s and 4 by 4s, I've been sizing it down a little to 3.5 by 5s or 4 by 5s. So it's kind of interesting. Got a great big title here, Love Your Tribe. And let me give you some close-ups of those clusters. Use my little felt flowers and that Thicker's title. Then over here we have sort of another subtitle, Together Friends. Put this little birdhouse on the diagonal since I've angled all my photos. I just think this turned out really fun. I liked how this dark green worked with this birdhouse paper, as well as the dark wood grain too. So that was the first double layout. And then I caved and I gave in to the gnomes. It was such colorful, cute paper. How could I resist? So here I've set up a couple of photo blocks, and then I've done this treatment down the side where we've got these 5 black stripes going over this red-orange paper. And I think this turned out real cute. Here we have our home is going to be this, and then gnome is where my honey bee. And then we've got bees as well as the gnomes. So cute. So I liked how this turned out too. Here I've actually got double matted. I've matted in white, and then I matted in this mint green dotted paper. So you've got plenty of relief from the busyness of this pattern here with the white around the photos. Let me show you some of these. Here I'm letting the stickers really do all of the work. I guess I could go back in and add some enamel dots, but I don't really think it needs it. The gnome stickers were pretty cute. So, kind of fun. And then here is the last but not least of the doubles. Here my title is Happy Hive. They actually had the hour hive on the sticker sheet, so I broke that up and put hive on this page, and then the hour I matched up with those home die cuts. So here we're just playing with different sizes of paper, making sure we've got each pattern on both sides. Our happy family. So this is kind of the entry point to the layout. Use some buttons here, as well as down here. Notice my buttons aren't naked. They have black crochet thread. And then up here, have a beautiful day. So it's got you kind of working across the page. This might be my favorite of the, but wouldn't you know it, I still had a few stickers left, including a couple of gnomes. So I got this single as well. This is kind of whimsical. In the garden, let your dreams blossom. Hubby's always messing with flowers and stuff outside, so I figure I can snap a couple of photos of him and add it to this page. Here we've got 2 rectangles, and then we've got a square on the diagonal, which works nicely with the plaid paper. Check out these. Got this pocket here, although those are glued down. Then we've got Mr. Gnome over here in the dirt and Mr. Gnome over here with the wheelbarrow. So very cute. And then I was able to get a few cards. There were quite a few stickers that were actually on the sticker sheet that were actually more card oriented. We were meant to be, this is real cute. We've got a line of bees here. And then we've got this sticker mounted on a couple of layers. And then the background is just these 2 pieces of paper cut on the diagonal. That turned out cute. Then we got a birthday card that started out with the same background. Here we just had a punch scallop and this flower. And then this happy bee day and a couple of black gems. Then we had a cut apart card still in the scraps. So this cute looking gnome with his heart. There's no sentiment on here, and I think I'm gonna leave it that way. It's just a cute note card, and then I've got hearts and stars in 3 places. And then last but not least, here's another one. Will you be my honey? Got a couple of strips going across and then strips going down. Very, very fun. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I had done. I still have a lot of my embellishments left. I only had a few small scraps of paper that I either disposed of or filed, but I still have quite a bit of the ephemera as well as chipboard and some other things. So I might try and pull some more, sort of carry this forward and pull some more paper. And if I do, I'll make another video. All right. Of course, as always, there will be photos of the individual products at the end of the video. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.